Use your second flask. Range trap, move, range trap, range trap, range trap. Okay, first shambling is out. Range trap, move, Miyawaki, Miyawaki, Miyawaki. Okay, good, go back.
Dami nating manok tol, walang nag-proc. Aray mo.
Ang malas nun. Mid trap,
Pili
mid
mo.
trap. Mid trap, sorry, forgot. Trunk shot, hunters. Come on. Nirva. Go back. Ardent proc na ako ha. Range trap. Second shambling is up. Stop cleaving melees. Okay. Midi trap. Hoy ganda. Okay, good. No need blade suppression na. No need. Do first Him of Hope now. Mana Tide, Him of Hope. Rex, can you help with the dispel on Raging Shriek? Okay na. Continue na kayo. Ako na bahala dispel. Okay, your stacking point will be the square, which is Wayne. Tinon ko. Malayo eh. Salve your mages now. Ice Spear. Okay, good. Defile? Wait. Defile incoming First Holy Rat done. Wait till I'll call the second one. Okay,
Third gun.
Pa-Holy Rat Messenger. Okay, good. Pa-Holy Rat dito, Rax. Defile. More damage on Valks, come on. Liderino, move. More damage on Valks. Pa-BL na dito. BL now. Just follow the square, guys. Your square will be your stacking point. Hard stack on the square. Come on. Defile will be on your right. If you have the defile, move to the right. Messenger, move.
Dalawa lang yan.
Pa-Holy Rat mo na rito, Sherry. Then, use your Holy Rat, Messenger. Don't go start healing the DK tank. Ready, defile first. Defile first. Everyone on the square, hard stack on the square, come on. Uy, infest. Pa-Bires nga sa akin. Bires now. Thanks. Heal up. Buff up.
Pa-innervate sa HPAL kung meron.
Innervate the HPAL. RDPS on the diamond. Mahuhulog ata itong mga to.
Shadow
Ayun,
EM ako.
Nahulog si Beto. May pag-asa, tol. Let's go.
Just push it to the edge. Move to the edge. Move to the edge. We're transitioning. Ignore the Valks. Ignore the Valks. Just push it.
Very
Papalo
nice.
muna sa transition do.
Ang bait mo talaga, Beto.
Do this sack. Then second
may
mo
kiss
poke.
ako.
Kusing.
Pa-healard muna kayo. Palo lang ako
Then
dito. Mana.
quick war. Can you innervate the HPAL? All mages on raging. All mage on raging. Spread ranges please. Para hindi masyado masakit yung pain and suffering. Stab your mages if you can. Okay, tinod ko na. Tinig ko. One more spear. Okay, good. Taking LK now. Just clip the spirits. Clip the raging spirits. Ikaw pa rin yung square do sa loob. Just follow the square inside, please. Okay, square's moving. Don't move ahead of the square, please. Paano na rito? Pa-con si Aura na. Rax.
Oo.
Then help with the mending. Not. Defile. Cleverino. Okay, good defile. Oh, more damage on the Raging Spirit. I start moving Lich King.
Ingat baka
Shuriken
mga
6.
sigawan kayo.
Careful Hindi na akin
Pamanated combo na.
Do manated combo before going in. Not. Pahima pop not.
Lagyan na lang pa. Ano?
Uy,
Oops, si...
wrong ton.
Kunin na ba niya Ulbrick?
Paglabas siguro.
Ay, kinuha na.
Kinuha niya. Start healing the decay tank. Then Kuya Ebs, pa-innervate sa HPAL. Square's moving. Then Cuticati, can you save your innervate for now? Pure Foods, can you BRS? Can you innervate please? Thank you. Forgot.
Ayop ka.
Then, can you shadow
Shackle
AM on
yun.
this one?
Okay na.
Messenger.
Okay na.
Meron na pala.
Gago, may namatay.
Namatay si Ray.
Gogo. Tumalas
Give me
na
that
rin.
robot.
Hindi na ni Uncle.
May night robots ako.
Unlock.
Tony.
Unlock.
Hard mode pa
Limit
kayo.
on
Aray,
limit
ito
on
talaga.
pitch.
Pa-typhoon
Come on,
nung
take it,
mga...
take it.
Typhoon.
Ako. Disak ako.
Okay na.
Patik na do. Then, Chase, can you BRS Ray? The group to bumi. Ako na magsusuka. Just defile.
CDB res, CDB res.
Accept. Then, Ray Pabires. Wala na pala. Okay na pala. All good. May defensive ka pa, Olbs? Titik ko na if wala na. Sige. Para din na lang ng pain soup kusing.
I-IBF pa siya.
Tapos sa siguro yung paglabas natin. 6% na lang.
God, grabe yung overkill damage ni Uncle.
Okay, squares moving again. Follow the square, please.
Ng GTS ko.
Full buff on those who died.
Idol.
Pagka-defile sa kanya, sumunod si Lich King eh. Wayne. Pa-adjust na lang ng boss.
Uy, mag-ID pa tayo. Ayos kayo.
Typhoon. Okay, good. Hindi sa akin this one. Moving. Start moving.
Eh, ba't niyo binub?
3%. Wait,
Iuwi mo na pa yan, sir?
Skill the boss.
Mhm.
Patay.
Joke lang.
Gago. Nagdadaldalan lang kayo kagabi. Tado. Mga terenas.
Uy, putang ina! Gago, ano to?
Dalawa
Daan na
pa naman
tada.
ito.